and welcome back to the Friesen kitchen. I'm Annika and today I'm going to teach you how to make a 20-minute vegan Thai curry. Before we get to the ingredients, I want to mention that you can choose any veggies you like for today. I just use whatever we had on hand. This dish is so versatile. And also, stay tuned. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a hack you will apply your entire life. It's awesome. So let's get started. So you will need 1 can of coconut milk, 1 large head of broccoli, 1 zucchini, 1 carrot, 1 red onion, 1 red bell pepper, a splash of lime, a tablespoon of Thai curry paste, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3/4 cup of vegetable stock, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a tablespoon of paprika powder, 8 ounces of brown mushrooms, and 2 cups of rinsed rice. So first off, add your rinsed rice into a small saucepan, along with 1 teaspoon of salt and 3 cups of hot water. Then place the saucepan over medium-high heat and cook the rice for 10 minutes with the lid on. Then turn the heat completely off and let it sit for another 10 minutes. Now let's prep the veggies. And as I already mentioned, you can use any veggies you like or whatever you have on hand. And that's the beauty about this dish. You can use up anything you have in the fridge. So I just took the peel off the carrot. Now I'm going to slice it into an angle so it looks more authentic. So for the broccoli, just cut off the florets. And if you have some bigger pieces, just divide them. So for the red bell pepper, I like to cut off the end to have the pepper more stable on the board. Then I cut around the core. And lastly, I like to slice it into an angle as well. So next up is our zucchini. Just cut off both ends, then slice the zucchini in half and then just slice. Since you can't wash the mushrooms, I'm just using a paper towel to wipe them down. And then just slice them. So with the onion, it's pretty simple. Just take off both ends, then grab the peel and take it right off. Cut the onion into half, place the onion cut side down on the board and slice. Let's move on to make the sauce. For that, you're going to need a medium-sized pot, heat it over medium-high heat, add some oil, add the curry paste and sear for 3 minutes. Now you can add the red onions, the brown sugar and the paprika powder. Sear this mixture on medium-high heat for additional 3 minutes. Then pour in the coconut milk, your vegetable stock, and the soy sauce. I'm gonna show you a cool hack how you can save the whole lime and not waste anything. You need a skewer. Just pierce the skewer through the lime and squeeze as much lime juice as you need. You can place the lime back into the fridge and use it whenever you need more lime juice. Add all your cut vegetables into the sauce, close the pot with a lid, and let it cook for 8 minutes on medium-high heat. Now the vegetables should be tender, but still have a crisp. That's the way how we like it. Now we are ready to serve. Our 20-minute vegan Thai curry is all done. It's colorful, it's healthy. I hope you make this at home. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!